Hold on. Look at this man. We are going to catch you. Uncle, hold on here. Right here, right here. Hold on. This is beautiful. Uncle, this is beautiful. Look at that. See 2 points. Uncle, you are not normal. I'm telling you, give us some rev. Give me some rev, Uncle. Come on. See? Thank you. I appreciate that, my brother. Put it there. Is it a pin as well? Blood of Jesus, you are not normal, this man. Get out. Of course I saw it. Get out. Shit. Is that a madness or what? I need to travel back in time. What you say, my brother? You good? Love. I need to travel back in time so I can get myself so happy. Classic, that is not normal at all. But what do I know? I'm just an African man. Get out.